Let's find out how to do this using the Blubrry PowerPress podcasting plugin. This plugin is a one-stop solution for managing your podcast and publishing new episodes. It supports multiple audio and video types, subscription options, and even includes a few search engine optimization features. On top of the free plugin, the team behind Blubrry also offers podcast hosting solutions that integrate with WordPress and podcast analytics. Right now, their directory includes over 315,000 podcasts, so they definitely know their stuff. If you are new to the world of podcasting, Blubrry offers an in-depth introduction to the subject that covers everything you need to know, so it's worth digesting it before moving on. To get up to speed, you'll want to bone up on finding a web host and setting up WordPress. Once you've finished, you should be able to get a basic WordPress blog up and running, including a homepage. However, before you start uploading podcasts to your new WordPress website, you'll need to install and set up the Blubrry PowerPress plugin. Once activated, navigate to PowerPress and Settings. There are a lot of options, but all of the important settings are here. First of all, scroll down and fill out the program title field. Ignore the iTunes settings for now, since they are irrelevant to our aim. Go to the blog posts and pages section and choose where you want your podcast to appear, either above or below your page content. For our example, we disabled this setting and use shortcodes to place the player exactly where we wanted. I'll explain how to do this in a minute. Save your changes, then head into the Audio Player Options tab. Here, you can choose which kind of player your podcast will use. We went with the HTML5 audio player. Blubrry is recommended option. All that's left is to upload your podcast episode to your WordPress media library and copy its URL. We'll need it during the next section. Now we dive into how to create a podcast website in WordPress. Firstly, we'll be assigning each episode to a new blog post to keep them separate, and we'll also need to set up a header, an introduction to the episode, and insert the Blubrry player. For this example, we'll be using our Zarif theme and the WordPress customizer. Let's start with the header. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Posts, Add New, give your new post a title, preferably referring to the name of your podcast episode or its number. Then, click the blue button to publish it. You may need to add your post to a menu if you don't already have one. Next, navigate to Appearance, Customizer, find your new blog post, then click on the Sections Order tab. Under the first section and the second drop-downs, add an Our Focus section to the former, followed by shortcodes to the later, like so. Next, navigate to Big Title section and Parallax effect. Enable the settings and replace the main image with one of your choosing. Then, go to Big Title, Content, and add some text to complement your header. From there, move to Our Focus section and then Our Focus section widgets. Add as many as you want, then assign some image and text that describes your podcast and its latest episode. Finally, go into the Shortcodes section and click on the Zarif below where it says Edit the shortcode options. Here, we'll add this into the shortcode field to display our podcast file on the page. Make sure you replace the example URL with your media file's location. Once you've saved the changes, that's all the pieces to our podcast page. For more information on what you can accomplish with Blubrry's shortcodes, check out this command cheat sheet. Let's take a look at our finished website. Although the WordPress customizer is handy for creating your website, you may prefer to use a page builder instead. We recommend MotoPress, which integrates well with Zarif. The idea of putting together a podcast website in WordPress from scratch might be intimidating, but in reality it's quite straightforward. Our recommendation is to keep things simple at first and let your podcast do all the talking.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to post a comment, give us a like and subscribe.